Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about Eid makeup look. This year I have created this gorgeous glittery soft yellow eyes paired with this deep coral lip for Eid, which is such a versatile makeup look which you can wear with any outfits of your choice. You can wear this look to any occasions, to any parties, functions, weddings, and you're just good to go. This makeup will just make you stand out, guys. So I hope you're gonna like this video, and before going to the actual video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell to get updates about my future videos. So if you want to know how I created this gorgeous glittery halo eyes paired with this coral lip, then please continue watching. So I have already done my eyebrows, moisturized my face. Now it's time to do my face makeup. So for priming my face, I'm using this Maybelline Master Prime Primer in the variant Redness Control, which has got this light green texture, which is actually meant for controlling the redness of your skin. So if you have acne prone skin, this will help in reducing the redness of the acne. So I quite like this primer, but it's not over the top. It doesn't do anything for my pores. It only helps in controlling the redness of my face and helps in evening out my skin really well. Now for the foundation, I am just using something which is really long lasting. It's a summertime, guys. You just want your makeup for a very long time, and during the Eid festival, you just want your makeup last for a very long time on your face. So try to use something which is very long lasting. I'm using this NYKAA Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I have done a complete review on this. You can just click on that eye to watch it. So using my fingertips, I'm gonna just put it all over my face like this. Now using my blender, I'm gonna blend this out. So this foundation has got medium to full coverage, but the finish it gives is completely matte. So initially when you apply it, it will give you a more like a semi-matte finish, but it settles to a completely matte finish, and it's a really long lasting, guys. It doesn't crease, it doesn't move from your face, so I quite like it. And you can see it has covered up my face so well and covered up my spots and everything. So really like this foundation. You can give it a shot. For the concealer, I'm using this PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade Nutcracker, which is a full coverage concealer, guys. So with this concealer, a little less is always more, so don't apply too much. It will turn to be a cakey one, as it has got a lot of pigments. So you can only apply this concealer on its own and you are just good to go. So I'm just applying a little bit under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and just blending this out with the help of the same sponge. And you can see it has provided me such a nice coverage under my eyes. It has covered up everything. So if you want a very good full coverage concealer, you can try this one, guys. And this is also very long lasting. It will last on you for a very long time. So highly recommended. This is one of my favorites, and you can see it has brightened up my face so well. So highly recommended, guys. Now to set my overall face and my concealer, I'm using this ELEANOR Dry and Wet Powder Foundation, which I got in this month's Glamigo box, and I'm trying this for the first time. So my first impression is that it has really set my face, so I have to use it several more times to provide my final thoughts about this product. So I'm just setting my under eyes, my lid, my overall face with the same powder foundation. So this is how my face makeup turned out. Now it's time to do my eye makeup, and for the eyes I'm using this COLOURPOP into KATHLEENLIGHTS Dream Street palette, which is one of my favorite COLOURPOP palettes. At first I'm taking the shade called Spark, which is a red shade from the palette, and in the Pro Arte PE23 brush I'm gonna place it right in the outer and the inner corner of my eye like this. Now using very light motion, I'm gonna just connect them together like this. So make sure that the pigments won't move out from the place where we put in. So you have to use very gentle, circular and very light motion to just blend out this shade all over your crease and in the outer and the inner corner of your eyes in the form of a C. You can see I'm blending it very nicely so that it looks much more natural and diffused. So take your time, guys, and blend it very nicely. Now going back to the palette, I'm taking this dark chocolate brown shade, which is called Elfish, in the Pro Arte PE29 brush, which is my absolute favorite pencil brush. I'm gonna place it right in the outer and the inner corner of my eye like this, and then just place the pigment just below my crease line like this. So you have to place the pigment at first, and then using very small circular gentle motion you have to just connect them together so that it won't mix in with the previous transition shade. So be gentle and just blend it very nicely just below your crease so that it looks more like a gradient. It just creates a gradient with the previous transition color. So use very light-handed way and very nice blending motion. A pencil brush is necessary for creating this sort of look, guys. You can use a smudging brush as well. Going back to the previous blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges in very circular motion so that it looks much more blend out and very nice. We'll be applying a little bit of transition color as well so that it looks much more natural. And you can see this has created such a nice gradient and a diffused just crease look all over my crease. Now I'm gonna cut my crease half away. We'll be doing a halo eye look, so just need to put concealer right at the center of my lid. So I'm using the pack concealer as well. So this concealer will actually help in creating a base for your next eyeshadow to work on. Now using a flat shader brush, I'm gonna just blend out this concealer and place it really nicely just at the center. And when the concealer will be a little bit tacky, I'm gonna use this shimmery shade called Twinkle from the palette, which is a more like very nice bronzy peachy shimmery shade. I'm gonna spritz a little bit of fixer on it and then just place it on top of the concealer which we put on the lid. So you can see it's such a pretty, glamorous, such a nice sparkling shade which looks so nice all over your lid. Now taking the dark chocolate brown shade again on that pencil brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that everything looks much more blended and diffuse. I'm gonna diffuse that dark chocolate brown shade with that shimmery shade so that there will be no line of demarcation on your eyelids. So this eye look needs a lot of blending, guys. You just need to make everything really blended into your skin. So now I'm taking this blending brush again and blending out my crease again so that everything looks much more blended. Now I am using this glittery eyeshadow from NYKAA in the shade Polaris Peach. I'm gonna place it right at the center of my lid, directly where we have put the previous shimmery shade. So you can see this is such a nice sparkling glittery shade. Now with the help of a flat shader brush, I'm gonna blend that glitter all over the center of my lid, and you can see it is just making this eye look so nice, such a nice beaming highlighted look to this eye look. For the lower lash line, I'm using this red shade again and blending this very nicely all over my lower lash line, followed by that dark chocolate brown shade. I'm gonna just put it very close to my waterline. I'm using the same pencil brush as well. Taking the shimmery shade which we put on the lid, I'm gonna place it right at the center of my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use a kohl, and this one is from CHAMBOR. I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline with the help of this kohl only. And for my lower waterline, I'm gonna use a nude eye pencil, and this one is from Diana of London and it's in the shade beige. So this just adds everything to the look, guys. Using a nude pencil just makes your eyes open. It revives your look so much. You feel so refreshed and really nice after using a nude pencil. So now it's time to do a winged eyeliner, and you can skip this step if you don't like liners, but you know that I just love doing winged eyeliners. So I'm gonna create a good wing with the help of this L'Oreal gel eyeliner in the shade Profound Black. So with the help of the same brush it came with, I'm gonna just create the wing, and you can see this is how the wing turned out. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara, and for the mascara I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm gonna add just good coats of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So this mascara has got a really nice voluminous texture which just helps in lengthening and volumizing your lashes. So you just need to put a lot of mascara on your eyes. So this is how my eyes turned out. For the falsies, I'm using this Befulan mink eyelashes which I got from Amazon, and you can see after I apply it, my eyes look so stunning, and this is how my final eyes turned out. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and for my face contouring, I'm using this LA Girl Beauty Brick Blush Collection palette, and taking this contour shade from the palette, I'm gonna put it right in the hollows just below my cheekbones of my face, on my jawline, in order to contour my face. So contouring helps in making your face look much more slimmer. It just helps in just defining your face so well. I'm gonna also contour my nose with the same shade as well, and using a blending brush and using very small circular motion, I'm gonna just blend it right towards the sides of my nose, so that my nose look much more structured and defined. Using these two blush shades from the palette, I'm gonna mix these two shades and apply it right on the apples of my face, and blend it with the contour shade so that everything looks much more diffused and well blended. So this blush shade looks really pretty with this eye look. For the highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, which is my absolute favorite highlighter. It has got such a nice peach undertone, which looks really stunning on Indian skin tone as well. I'm going to put it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, chin, and the areas where you just need to add a lot of glow. I'm also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with the same highlighter as well, and also highlighting my brow bone as well. So you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. Now for the lipstick, I am using this ColourPop Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Bumble, which is such a stunning deep coralish shade. It's not a perfect nude shade, it's just a coral, deep coral shade for my skin tone, but it has got a nice brown warm undertone, so it will not wash you out. I'm sure that this shade will be suitable for all Indian skin tones. So this is such a stunning shade. Even you can use a bright pink lip shade for this look as well, but this lip shade turned out to be really good with this eye look. Now to make my makeup last for a very long time, since it's summertime, you just need to set your face. I'm using this setting spray from Wet n Wild and spritzing it all over my face, let it dry on my face, and this is how my final look turned out. So that is all for today, guys. This is how it turned out, and if you like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Happy Eid to all of you with lots of love and blessings from my side. Love you. Bye.